So the morning of May 8th, 2025, Andrew, my brother, got a call. His home was on fire. The kids were at home with Katie. Branston, being the brave dude he is, ran back in, and that's when he heard his mom hollering for someone to grab Gabriel, which is his 3-year-old brother. He was able to get Gabriel down the steps into the back door where two heroic strangers met him and helped him carry Gabriel the rest of the way out. And those two were able to go back in and help Grandma Mindy out of the home. Gabriel and Katie were helicoptered to ESC&FC. Unfortunately, it was determined that there was a lot of damage. She later did pass. Gabriel spent over a month in the hospital. He was intubated. He had to learn how to eat, walk, and still working on potty training. The day before Thanksgiving, we got a call asking if we would be willing to be a part of the Best Christmas Ever. My brother thinks that we're coming today to do a photo session with Santa Claus. The kids are peeking out the window.
You guys ready?
We're all doing here. We're with a local nonprofit called Best Christmas Ever, who helps families who fall into tough times through no fault of their own. We're here today to give you the best Christmas ever.
BCE has 2 programs that they offer in addition to everything else that you see today. The Dave Ramsey Financial Peace University and Total Wellness Health Program. If you complete these courses, BCE will give you an additional $1,000 towards any bill of your choice and an additional $1,000 towards groceries.
As they were doing a little research and digging in, behind the scenes we heard the furnace is a little tough shape. So on behalf of Modern Heating and Air and Medina Electric, they're donating a brand new furnace for you, which includes the complete install and everything, so you guys don't need to worry about warmth going forward here.
We are excited to gift you a 2-night stay, including breakfast each day at the 3 Bear Water Park, as well as another 2-night stay, including breakfast each day at the Wyndham Garden Hotel Osega. Also, I don't know if you noticed, we have a special guest here with us today. So, Santa is gonna check in his bag and see if he has any gifts for you guys. Go ahead, open those. Thanks, Santa.
Since we know that this has been a huge financial stress for you and continues to be, we wanted to ease the burden a little. So we are excited to announce that as a team and a whole, we have raised $9,244.62 through donations from Dad Chats, Repair Heroes, local businesses, and many families and friends. You will be able to use that money to pay for at least 6 months of mortgage payments and ensure that your vehicle is safe and in running condition.
We actually have a couple other surprises. 16 years ago, I got a knock on the door during one of my worst moments, and some gifts came in. It just planted a seed of hope and light that, hey, things are going to be okay. You have a whole community that's rooting around you. The first extra surprise that's going to happen, I'm Amber. She's with Best Christmas Ever too.
So we heard that you have a little bit of a water problem in your basement, and we know that with water can come some serious issues, cracking walls, cracking floors, settling of foundation, which can lead to like windows and doors not opening and closing safely. And since your family's safety is the highest priority of Best Christmas Ever, we have partnered with Zimmer Brothers Construction and Briner Construction to ensure that your basement will be safe and dry for your family moving forward.
And we were sharing with our board and our team, so Dylan, Dad Chat's wife, is on our board, and we were sharing about everything he went through. He did a campaign with Prepared Hero on preventing fires. On their behalf, we're actually going to be matching and doubling the amount. There. to be able to take care of hopefully 12 months of the mortgage there. There's also one last one. There you go. We're going to be sending you on a trip to, has anybody ever heard of Disney World? All expense paid trip to Disney World. That's going to be 7 days. And again, everything's going to be covered on there. We have set aside $15,000 for that. Are we trying to get a group picture?
Yes.
Sure.
Thank you.